Good morning students. Today we will study new chapter 14 data handling part first. In data handling we represented in the tally mark, that is the data is represented in tally mark form, second pictograph form, third bar graph. Then first we study in pictograph. In pictograph the data is given in question. We represent this picture base. Then here for example draw a pictograph to represent the kinds of pets in a pet shop as given below. Then here pets, puppies, kittens, birds and fish. Then number of pets, second column, number of pets. Here 12, here 18, here 6, here 7. Listen, then key is equal to one picture, one symbol is equal to two pets. This is the symbol. Here different types of pets. Therefore, then common symbol is we don't take here puppies, kittens, birds and fish. Therefore, I take this star is the symbol of one star is equal to two pets. Then here we draw a pictograph. Represent this data we represent in a pictograph. Here first we draw this we draw there. You write the key also. In sometimes the key is not given in question. You write the key also. Then we draw this. I write this key in upper side. There the space is this key. First we write the pictograph. In capital letter we use pictograph. Then upper side you write the key. Key write you upper side. Then I take this key, the picture is star. Then one star is equal to two pets. Okay. Then you write here two column you make. Here you write pets. Here number of pets. Understand you? First you write the pictograph in capital letters. Then the key is in upper side of this right hand side you write one picture is equal to two pets. Then two column you make. First you write pets, then number of pets. First pets is puppies. How many puppies here? 12 puppies. Therefore we divide by our key is 2. One picture is equal to two puppies, that is 12 divided by 2. 12 divided by 2 we get 6. Therefore we draw how many stars? 6 stars. Then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Then you draw this in scale you take this complete this. Understand you? First puppies. How many puppies we? 12 puppies. Therefore you 12 divide by this key. 12 divide by 2 you get 6. Then we draw how many stars we draw? 6 draws. Next pet is kittens. How many kittens we have? 18. Again you divide 18 divided by 2. 18 divided by 2, you get 9. Therefore, we draw 9 stars. Then again you draw this line. Next, our pets is birds. How many birds we have? 6 birds. Again you divide 6 divided by 2, you get 3. Then again you draw this. The next pet is fish. How many fish we have? 7. Again you divide by 7 divided by 2, you get a full or 3, then 1 half. This way here you visible. This way you write 1, 2, 3 and half. This is 7. This 2, 4, 6, then 7. Half of the star. Understand you? Then here how many star we? 1, 2, 3, then half. Then you draw this. Then this also you joined. This is in color in you it. Then this is look beautiful. This is the pictograph. Another question. Draw a pictograph. Draw a pictograph. Children like fruits. Children like fruits as given below, as table given below. Okay, then first we draw the question. Here fruits, here number of children, here fruits. Then first mango, 25 children, then apple, 20 children, then banana, 15, then grapes, 12, then orange, 10. Then first you look here. which table we take this? Which table? These three are going in table of 2. These two are not going table of 2. Don't worry, you take the half of the fruit, you also take. First you write pictograph. You draw this pictograph. Pictograph. Then key. In upper side you write key. Then here are the children. You write the smiling face. Then is equal to 2 children. Okay. Now we draw this. 2 column you make. First column we write here fruits, here number of children. Okay. Then first fruit is mango. Then 25 divided by 2. We get 12. Then half also you. 12 smiling face you draw. Now 12 also we draw. Then 24. Now our question 24. 1 smiling face, 1 eye, this. This is now 25. Then here a line close. The next fruit is apple. How many we divided? 20 divided by 2. We get 10. You draw 10. Okay. Then we this complete. Then next banana. Then again 15 divided by 2. You get 7 in full, 1 reminder. Then 7 smiling face you draw. Then half. Okay. Then next grapes. How many students? Again 12 divided by 2. You get 6. Then orange. Again you divide. 10 divided by 2. You get 5. This is the pictograph. You understand this pictograph? Okay. Thank you.